things on the top of everyone's mind: the tax deadline at the end of the month and Women's Day. While traditionally it was the men who had the say in the finances of the house, the increase in the number of independent, salaried women means that they have more say-so in financial decisions today. Gone are the days when women were too underconfident, or rather shy, to talk about money, ran away from financial jargons, and left major investment decisions to the men in the household. As recent observations from ClearTax on the financial approach and discipline of their women customers shows, women are close to beating men at this investment game. Hey guys, this is Prarthana from ClearTax, and this Women's Day, let's take a look at how the millennial Indian woman invests her money and the patterns that emerge therefrom. Women are investing more than men, and the trend is growing fast. The changes in the financial services industry have improved financial inclusion among Indian women. On ClearTax too, the growth in the number of female investors has been very interesting. Also, as ClearTax reports, the average woman invests 12.7% more than her male counterpart, and you can see that from the graph on the screen, right? Number 2, women with income up to 5 lakh per year are the fastest growing segment of ClearTax investors. One would think that it is only the women in the high income bracket who save enough to invest. In reality, the fastest growing segment of female investors at ClearTax falls in the less than 1 lakh and the 1 to 5 lakh salary bracket. Indian women do not take their financial independence for granted and make sure to start saving at an early age. The table given on the screen surely proves that as well. Number 3, average investment by women on ClearTax has gone up by 133% in the last 2 years. The gender pay gap has steadily been decreasing over the recent years, and this shows in the investment choices made by women. 2 years back, the average amount invested on ClearTax Safe, the company's mutual fund investment platform, by women was around rupees 13,738. In just the first 3 months of 2018, this has increased to rupees 32,064. Correspondingly, the average investment amount by men has stayed more or less the same across the last 2 years. And that too is shown well enough in the bar graphs given in the screen. Number 4, women in Tier 2, 3 and 4 cities are taking to investing more than men. When we look at the investment patterns on ClearTax Safe, it becomes clear that the number of women investors from small towns in India are more when compared to men. Over 60% of investments made by women on ClearTax are from Tier 2, 3 and 4 cities such as Daltonganj, Karaikal and Shillong. And they are not just sticking to low-risk plans but are making smart investment decisions that can deliver them inflation-beating returns. Number 5, women are more steady investors than men. Women have inherited ability to think things through and plan ahead, and this is also evident in how they invest throughout the year. While women show a steady investment pattern across the months with only a slight increase towards the tax saving season, the investment pattern is a lot more seasonal with spikes through the year for men. This shows that women are better at planning their finances and meeting their monthly saving goals, while men tend to make more of last-minute decisions. ClearTax Save is currently used by millions of women across India, and they come from all corners of the country. We wish you a very happy Women's Day in advance and a year of smart investments and higher returns. Make sure you share this video with that special woman of your life, be it your mother, sister, friend, or your partner. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to ClearTax's YouTube channel for regular videos on finance. Stay tuned and take care, and once again, a very happy Women's Day.